Whistleblowing, and what you need to know. This presentation is being provided to inform you, our managers, about the law concerning whistleblowing and retaliation towards such. It is your duty to know these issues in order to protect the company. So what is whistleblowing and retaliation? The whistleblowing rule is administered by OSHA. OSHA handles employee complaints about unsafe work conditions, health hazards, and discrimination or retaliation for exercising rights that are protected under the OSH Act. The OSH Act was passed in 1970 and protects employees under 22 federal laws. The employer cannot retaliate against an employee through discharge or other discriminatory acts because the employee engaged in protected activities. The protected activities include complaining about a violation, testifying, participating in, or initiating any proceedings for any violations. OSHA is the Occupational Safety Health Administration. The laws under which employees can file complaints include the OSH Act, Surface Transportation Assistance, Asbestos Hazard Emergency Response Act, International Safe Container Act, Energy Reorganization Act, Clean Air Act, Safe Drinking Water Act, Federal Water Pollution Control Act, Toxic Substances Control Act, Solid Waste Disposal Act, Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation and Liability Act, Wendell H. Ford Aviation Investment and Reform Act for the 21st century, Sarbanes-Oxley Act as amended by the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act of 2010, Pipeline Safety Improvement Act, Federal Rail Safety Act, National Transit Systems Security Act, Moving Ahead for Progress in the 21st Century Act, Consumer Product Safety Improvement Act, FDA Food Safety Modernization Act, Consumer Financial Protection Act, the Affordable Care Act, and Seamen's Protection Act. As you can see, there are many laws that are governed by OSHA with regards to whistleblowing. The employee rights. The employee may file a complaint with OSHA if he or she feels they have been discriminated or retaliated against. Dependent upon which law the employer violated, the employee has 30, 60, or 90 days to file for violations. Required posters. The OSHA compliant poster is the only required posting for this law. There is no specific whistleblower poster. Penalties. The company, if found in violation, can be ordered to pay back wages, reinstate an employee, or reimburse the employee for fees incurred for the violation.